How to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction on iPhone. I'm going to tell you how to fix the please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction error on your iPhone. This issue usually happens due to payment method problem or Apple ID issues. Here's what you can do. Check your payment method. Go to settings and then select your name, payment and shipping, and update your payment details. Ensure sufficient funds. If using Apple account balance, make sure it covers the purchase including taxes. Sign out and back in. Log out of your Apple ID and sign back in through settings. Check for declined payments. If your card is declined, try another payment method or contact your bank. Reset your Apple ID password. If your account is locked or flagged, reset your password at appleid.apple.com. Contact Apple support. If the issue persists, Apple may have placed the hold on your account and you'll need to reach out to them directly.